Now, let's look at the end of 2023. It peaked around $45,000. Now, as of March 2021, I also had $50, and this is what I did. In this video, we're going to look at how to invest your first $50. This is equivalent to about 600 cedis in Ghana and about 45,000 naira in Nigeria as of the time I'm recording this video. Now, with this amount of money, you can go right into investing in stocks. You can also choose to invest in crypto. So if, for example, we invested our $50 in the stock market somewhere around 2021, right, with a potential annual return of about 14%. From 2021 to the end of 2023, our investment and also profit altogether will be around $78. That is about $28 in profit. That means that you invested your $50 and then you made $28 profit on top of it. Well, $28 is not that much. You won't be able to do anything with it. I mean, you could do something with $28, but to wait 3 years for $28, that's not much, right? That's not something a lot of people would like to do. Now, let's look at the crypto market. So let's say you invested your $50 into Bitcoin. As of the time that it was being sold, around $58,000. That's, the rate around 2021, let's say early 2021. Now, let's look at the end of 2023. It peaked around $45,000. So if you invested your money into Bitcoin in 2021, it's more likely that up until 2023, you've lost some money. Now, let's take everything off the table, right? Stocks, bonds, fixed deposit, treasury bills. Let's clear everything, okay? And let's look at how best we can invest this to maximize our profit. If you want to be able to make the most out of just $50, then you need to follow through on this story I'm going to share. Around March 2021, I also had the same $50 and I was thinking of what to do with this that I'll be able to make money from it. I was just thinking about how I'll be able to build passive income. That was all that was on my mind. I know that to build passive income, it takes time and then it takes a lot of effort and it's difficult. But this is a story that I'm going to share with you that I believe is going to help you on your journey to building wealth as well. If you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed yet, please tap on the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. As of March 2021, I also had $50 and this is what I did. So with my $50, I just went online and then I bought a domain name. The domain name I bought was going to help me build a website. So I bought a domain name and then I also used the rest of the money to buy web hosting. So I got web hosting and then I got a domain name, which was going to help me build a website. Mind you, I've spent my $50. It's all gone. I bought a domain name around $15 and then I bought a web hosting around $35. Now I just had resource to build a blog. So between March 2021 and November 2021, I was just writing content on this blog and I was basically writing about how people can get into the university, which programs they should do based on their grades and stuff like that. I was just posting, day in and day out, just from personal experience, how I was applying to the university, how tough it was, how I ended up with the school that I got, and all of that. I was just journaling everything into blogs and posting on this particular blog. Between that whole period, between March and November, I wasn't making anything at all, completely zero. I wasn't making any money. I was just posting on there, people were reading, but no money. Now, in 2021, December, I was able to generate around $41. Well, I wasn't ready to give up. So 2022, I still didn't do so much. It was just building upon what I had already done in 2021. So for the entire 2022, I made around $649, okay, from this same blog. Now in 2023, I made $764. Throughout this whole period, I've been able to engage with institutions and other stakeholders in the industry to run ads on this same platform as well. And these people do pay really well compared to AdSense, okay? But not to say that if you have $50, you should just get right into, starting a blog or writing blogs or anything like that. You can pick from this and ask yourself a few questions. What am I good at? What do people normally come to me, asking questions about? What do I think I can really talk about without so much stress? Think about that and look at what you can do. It could be that you just go on AliExpress, look for products around maybe $1, $2, buy them with your $50 and then sell it in your local market and then make profit, and then go back, do the same process again and still make profit. So with just your $50, you'll be able to start a drop shipping business or, an e-commerce business that is going to generate a lot of money over time. Of course, it's not going to be like 1 month, 2 weeks, or maybe 6 months, or maybe 1 year. It's going to take time. There are a lot of other, streams of income that's come for this particular project that, has just grew the revenue to about $4,000, $5,000, $6,000. So this all just came from that $50 investment. So we go on to say that the best investment you can ever make is in yourself, in the skills that you acquire, the knowledge that you get, and then how you use this tool to maximize your returns. Okay, with the investment that you make in yourself is great because you have it with you throughout your lifetime. So if you currently don't have any skills, like you don't know how to write blogs, you don't know how to create a blog, you don't know how to set up a business, you don't know how to go about drop shipping, you don't know anything about creating an online business, you don't know how to make money online, all of these things are, falling right under the knowledge space. So if it's something that you need to acquire knowledge about, you have to first invest your money into that to acquire that knowledge or build that skill so you can go on to make money from there. Now, when you make money from the skills and knowledge that you've acquired, that's when you start investing into stocks, investing into crypto, investing into all of these things, because of course, those are instruments that's going to help you build wealth over time. If you have only $50 in your investment for even 10 years, the returns is still going to be small compared to if you're investing $50 every month for the next 10 years. So if this $50 is all you got right now, and then you're thinking of what to do with this, I would recommend that you put that money into yourself, but in a way that is going to help you maximize returns. So you can put that into knowledge acquisition, that is getting to know a skill or getting to know something that can help you generate money. Or if you already have a skill or you already have some knowledge that you can go ahead to monetize, you can use this $50 to now invest into that and then build from there. So you can set up a blog, set up a YouTube channel, set up a podcast, set up an e-commerce store, set up a drop shipping business, so on and so forth. So many things you can do with just $50. Now, if this video has been beneficial to you, please like it and then drop a comment. Let me know what you think, okay? And then also subscribe to this channel if you are new here, and then do share it to someone who may need it the most. My name is Alfred, and I'll see you in another video.